Hey guys, if you're trying to install a Chrome extension and it is not installing, there is a high chance that the issue is caused by corrupted Chrome user profile or conflicting data. So here is how to fix it. Press Windows key plus R button, type local app data and press enter. Open the Google folder, then the Chrome folder, find the folder name user data and rename it to user data old. Open your Chrome browser and Chrome will automatically create a fresh user data folder. Now sign in with your Google account and synchronize your profile to restore history, bookmarks and settings. Now try to download and install your extension again. It should work. Stay safe.